Good morning students. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start with the new topic, that is verbs. So let's get started. Hello everyone. So today we are going to start with the new topic, that is verbs. Now first question is, what is a verb? Verb is a word that is used to describe an action. In simple words, you can say a verb is a word or a group of words that is used to denote an action, event, or state of being or possession. Like here, as you can see, ran. It is an action, the person is running, so it is a verb. Reading. A person is reading, he is performing some action, so it is verb. Sleeping. An action is going on, walking, jumping, reading. Fine. So in all, you can say any action that is being performed is known as verb. Okay. It can be a single word or it can be a group of words. They are just used to denote an action or event that is happening. Okay. So if we are performing any action, like I am speaking, so speaking is verb. You are listening, so listening is verb. Okay, so any action that is going on, or if it is describing any event, then it is known as verb. Okay, like you are reading, so reading is verb. I am sitting, I am teaching, so teaching is also verb. So any action that is being performed is known as verb. Okay, a verb is a word which describes the action in a sentence. The word that is doing something. Okay, as I've told you, it describes an action that is being performed. Like for example, I play football. Now what I am doing? I am playing. So play is verb. They skip quickly. Now the action is skipping. We eat. We are eating. Bob is 7 today. Is verb. Is helping verb. This we are going to read further in this class only. But for now, you just need to remember that any action that is being performed is known as verb. So verb is a group of words or a single word that denotes an action. Okay. Now there are basically two types of verbs. First one is main verb and second one is helping verb. The other name of helping verb is auxiliary verbs. Okay. So we have two types of verbs. First one is main verb and second one is helping or auxiliary verb. Okay, helping or auxiliary verb are further divided into two parts. That is primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Or you can say primary and modal verbs. Okay, so there are two types of verb, main verb and helping or auxiliary verbs. Helping verbs are further divided into two parts, that is primary and modals. So you just need to remember that in primary auxiliaries is, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does and be. These words are used in primary auxiliaries. Okay, again I am telling you, is, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does and be. BEB. They are primary auxiliaries or you can say primary helping verb. In modal auxiliaries, all the modals will come like shall, will, should, would, may, might, can, could, must, need, ought to, dare, used to and all the modals, they are going to come in modal auxiliaries. Fine. So you just need to remember verbs are of two types, main verb and helping verb. The other name of helping verb is auxiliary verb. They are further divided into two parts, primary and modals. In primary, we use is, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does and be. And in modal auxiliaries, all the modals will come. Now, the basic difference is that main verb is the primary verb. It can be used in a sentence by itself. It does not need the support of any other verb. While auxiliary or helping verb, they are used with the main verb. They cannot stand alone by itself. They need one more verb in support. Okay. Here, as you can see, a main verb shows the action or state of being in a sentence. A helping verb works with the main verb to show when the action or state of being occurs. Like as you can see, Chadda had traveled to Europe with her family. The main verb that is being performed here is traveling. So traveled is main verb. Had, as I've told you, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does and be. They are primary auxiliaries. They are helping verbs. Okay, so had is helping verb. Okay, had is helping verb and traveling, that is the main verb. Fine. Here, as you can see, Caroline bakes cookies. What action is performed? Baking. So bake is main verb. Vanessa feels confused. Now she is feeling that this is state of being doing something. So feel is main verb. Again, Perton mails a letter. Now he is mailing. So the work that is being performed is mailing. So mail is main verb. Main verb can stand on its own. Okay. Now let's come to helping verb. Helping verb needs support of main verb. Helping verb cannot stand on its own. Like for example, she is. Is helping verb. We all know. But the sentence is not complete. We need one more verb to complete the sentence. She is leaving. So the main action that is being performed is leaving. So leaving is main verb and is helping or auxiliary verb. And it is primary auxiliary, as we all know. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does and be. They are primary auxiliaries. Again, I have, it is incomplete. We know have is helping verb, but we need one more verb to complete the sentence. I have finished my work. Now main work is finished. So finished is main verb and have is helping verb. Okay. Now here we have modal auxiliaries. As I have already discussed, all the modals, they come under modal auxiliaries. No need to worry. We are going to understand modals in our further classes. For here you just need to remember that if you get any modal like can, could, may, shall, should, must, have to, might, ought to, you just need to identify that these words, they are modal auxiliaries. They are helping verb. And they need support of one more main verb to complete the sentence. Fine. So in all, today you just need to learn that what are helping verbs and what are main verbs. Fine. So these all, they are helping verbs. They are modal auxiliaries or modal helping verbs. Just need to remember this. Okay. Now, as I've told you, helping verb or auxiliary verbs, they need some verb to complete the sentence. But sometimes they can also perform the work. They can also work as main verbs. Okay. They can also perform or stand by their own. Like for example, as you can see in this sentence, I am happy. The sentence is complete. Am is primary auxiliary. We are not having any other verb. So am here is helping verb. But in this sentence, it will work as main verb. I have a new life now and new friends. Have, we all know, is primary auxiliary. Fine. But there is no other verb and the sentence is complete. So have here will work as main verb. We do things that are controversial. Do is helping verb. It is primary, it is auxiliary verb. But the sentence is complete and there is no other verb. So do here will work as main verb. Okay. So as I've told you, helping verb, they do not stand on its own. They need support of main verb also. But if sentence is complete and there is no other verb, then the primary auxiliaries, they can perform the work of main verb also. Okay. So in all, we have learned today that there are two types of verb, main verb and helping verb. Helping verb are of two types, that is primary auxiliaries, auxiliary verb or helping verb, and modal auxiliaries. Primary auxiliary include is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does and be. And modal auxiliaries consist of all the modals. Okay. as I've told you, like here, as you can see, I do homework. The sentence is complete. Do is helping verb. But here we are not having any other verb. So do will perform here the work of main verb. I have a good book. Okay. Have is helping verb. But we are not having any other verb. So have will perform the function of main verb here. I am a student. Am is helping verb. But there is no other verb here. So am will perform as main verb here. Okay? Clear? This is your homework. In this you have to identify primary auxiliaries. You have to underline it. I have told you is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, be. They all are primary auxiliaries. And then you have to identify whether they are acting as main verb or helping verb. It is very simple. Just go through the sentence. If there is any other verb, then it is helping verb. If there is no other verb, then it is performing the work of main verb. Like Rohan is a successful doctor. Is primary auxiliaries. There is no other verb. So is here is main verb. I am doing my homework now. Doing, the main verb is doing. Fine. So am here is supporting. So am is helping verb here. Okay. So if we have two verbs, then the primary auxiliary will perform the function of helping verb. If we have single verb, then primary auxiliary will act as main verb. Okay. This is your homework. And we are going to continue with this topic tomorrow also. Thank you.